The Rylee Ranch got hit with a huge blizzard. Let's check in with all the animals. Hey, Merida. Looks like Abigail's not minding the snow. Good morning, Fernando. How was your evening? Lots of snow came down here today, hey? Good morning, everyone. I don't think you're gonna like what's outside today. You know the one thing when it snows this much? It's so bright. So we're shoveling out little sections in each of the animal pastures so that they have an area to eat. Looks like the ducks are snowed in. Time to shovel out the ducks. So we've started clearing past all the different barns, but we still got a lot of work to do. You guys have been snowed in as well? Ain't no chickens coming outside today. Goats haven't seen all the snow yet. Let's see what they think. Come on, everyone. Come on, everybody. We're gonna go check out the snow. All the goats are back outside enjoying winter. First of all, I'd like to apologize to everyone for the delay in getting outside today. Second of all, breakfast is not ready, but you can come outside. How's your apples, Merida? Are you enjoying the snow day? Hi guys, sorry for the late breakfast. We're a little behind today. You guys don't look very impressed today. Timon's just hanging out indoors, having some food with Socks the cat. All right, everyone, let's have some food. Come on, guys, back to your house.